Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you page isn't available right now Instagram, how to fix it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Instagram. Once it loads, all you gotta do is tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you can do is just head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. And once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, all you gotta do is locate Instagram and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on this upload app option, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that process is done, tap on delete app, and once that process is done, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.